Hey guys, JT here with an unboxing and quick look at the Dune Thunder. This is basically a 10th scale, or I'm sorry, not 10th scale, a 12th scale buggy that I got from RC Moment. You also see that the item number is there, 12891. As always, I'll leave a link in the description if anyone's interested in checking out some more of the details. I did get this from RC Moment, so I got this because there was something kind of unique. Let me pull this out real quick. Because there was something unique about this, and I'll show it to you in just a second. You'll probably see it when I show the instructions and stuff. Well, let's get a little bit of light going. There we go. So they give you a basic instruction manual with this, and it comes with, try to get that glare off of there, some operating instructions and stuff. And most people that are in this hobby are going to know the basic operating instructions for this. And then they also give you, sorry about that, they also give you this here. Now, if you look closely to the far bottom right-hand corner, this is telling you about the battery installation and stuff. You'll see that it uses those type of vape batteries, or I think it's called 18650s or something like that, and it has two of them. So the only other company we know to do this is like Arma, and I believe this company's had theirs out for a minute, and then also Arma has theirs, but with Arma's you can add more to it. So that's why I went ahead and picked this up, because if I can get this glare off of here, I thought that's going to be interesting, and we'll take a closer look at that in just a minute. But this is how the car comes packed up in the box. This may be an updated version, because I did see one where it comes boxed up and it's got like a plastic screen, so you can kind of, or transparent screen, so you can kind of see the car inside there. But as always, you gotta love that smell of a new RC car. I did go ahead and pre-clip those clips on there. Oh, they did. So this is something I was kind of concerned about, but they included in here, so thank you RC Moment for that. Is an adapter for the charger, because the charger does use those unique type batteries as well. So let me see if the radio, I know the radios, and let's see what else is down there as well, because I don't see the wing for this. So, packed up all nice. Yeah, I'm losing my words today. So, packed up all nicely down here. This is most definitely going to be the charger in there. This is going to be your radio in there. And this is going to be your wing as well. So, we'll go ahead and pull this out. This is zip tied in here. Alright guys, with all that, I didn't want to go through a lot of paper and cutting and stuff and get all that filmed. It comes with the wing, so there's actually 4 screws that you actually screw into the chassis to get that on. That'll take just a couple of minutes to get that screwed on there, but it does come, of course, with the wing and the spoiler and stuff. Got to make sure those screws are long enough. I did screw some of it in somewhat, but I'll have to re-screw that in. But this is what I was talking about with the charger. So, of course, they give you a charger with it. But the current chargers, they come with the European style plug. But like I said, once again, thank you RC Moment. They give you this adapter. I can plug that on and bam, I can charge these batteries here. They also give you a little small Phillips head screwdriver to actually work on the car, because you see even on the tires and wheels, they are actually put on there with a screw. So you'll need that, or if you have your own, it'd be fine just to use that as well. Another thing with this car is that it does come with workable LED lights, and when I take the body off, I'll show that to you as well. So it has 4 at the top and then 2 at the bottom. So not sure of the exact runtime, but we'll time that in some video to see how long of a runtime we get with this. And then another unique thing here is that you can adjust the shock or the ride height of the car. So I did notice that the rear is a little bit lower than the front. So the front has adjusted in the middle, and then the rear, as you guys see right here, it has adjusted to the farthest one, which is 4. So I'm probably going to raise this up just a bit, because it kind of sits a little low in the rear. But then again, yeah, even with the spoiler on, it still does sit just a little bit too low. I may lower the front down just a bit. I'm not sure. No, I'm going to raise the rear up just a bit. But anyway, that's just, you know, preference there with that. I think they might have just missed one hole and put that on there. But for the lights, as you guys see there, they already have that pretty much installed on there with that there. That tape's coming a little loose, so I'll have to retape that down. But they do have all this installed in there. And maybe at some point in time, I'll do a video on installing lights on your cars, because it's not difficult. You see how they kind of did this here. Make sure that's in there. You know, they got enough shoe glue or hot glue or whatever on there. But maybe I'll do a video at some time on installing lights on your car too. A lot of people are wanting to do that. Summertime's coming up. As of the time of this video, spring is here, and people are wanting to put LED lights on the car so they can run it at night. So with the car, the tire compound is actually better than I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be, they may even have foams in it. I can't tell. It feels like it has foams in it, but the tire compound, it's not too hard and it's not too soft. So that's another plus or good thing there. This does have a heat sink on the motor that you guys said. This is a 380 size motor, and it does come with one of those 2-in-1 units. This is going to be your radio here, and it's a standard size radio, so that's a good thing. It's going to actually fit, but there's no foam or anything over the steering wheel, but that'll be fine. It has your basic throttle and steering trims and servo reverse as well. So that's a good thing, and it's 2.4 gigahertz, and it does use 4 AA's. Now, another thing this thing has is, you guys see, take a look at this here. You see the rear? It has kind of a dog bone slash universal drive shaft somewhat in the rear. What does it have here in the front? And then it has universal ones in the front, but these are plastic. These are not metal. And it does use a type of ball type. You guys can see this in their design for that right there. And the body height is adjustable too. Look at that. So you can adjust the body height as well with these right here. So maybe I need to just raise my body up some. Now that's leaning. It's kind of leaning like this at an angle, so I do need to adjust that in the rear as well. It does have adjustable turnbuckles there, and looky here, you actually have an aluminum drive shaft because this is 4-wheel drive. So that's pretty good there. This is where your batteries are going to be, or where your batteries are at. And oh, cool. So they did put a piece of plastic over it, so it will not overcharge the batteries. But these are those type of batteries. These are 1500 milliamps. So I'll get, like having a 1500 milliamp. These are lithium ion batteries, but they are the 18650. I don't know what the RH stands for. Some of you gurus out there may know, but I don't know if the RH makes a difference or stands for something there with that. But it does have one on each side right there. And I'm curious of the runtime with this. So you just basically pop this off, and then those actually come right out. So guys, I'm kind of interested in getting this running because I want to see how fast it is and how much runtime I get, especially with these lights and stuff, and how fast the servo is. So won't go into too much more in depth until I get this puppy out running. So guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, especially running videos of this bad boy. Thanks again, guys.